Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today we are going to learn GK chapter 14 characteristics of birds, fish and insects. What we are going to learn children about the characteristics of birds, fish and insects. Now first we will see the characteristics of birds first. Okay, see birds. Birds are vertebrates, birds are warm blooded, birds lay eggs, are oviparous. The other types of animals with feather all have a beak, wings and two legs, breathe with lungs. Most birds fly but some do not, like penguins, ostrich, emus, etc. Most live on land but some live in water like ducks, geese, egrets, storks, etc. Means here children, the characteristics of birds are vertebrates. They are vertebrates means they are having the backbones. Okay. Next, warm blooded means they are having a blood which is warm. Okay. They lay eggs. They lay eggs. They are the animals which are having wings, feathers. Okay. Next, all the birds which are having their beaks, wings and all the birds will having only two legs. They breathe with their lungs. They breathe with their lungs. Okay. Most of the birds will fly, but some will not fly. For examples like penguins, ostrich and emus will not fly. Okay, because they are huge birds, means they are not light birds, they are huge birds, so they will not fly. Okay. Most lives on land but some lives in water, means most of the birds will live in the land itself but some birds which lives in water. They are ducks, geese, egrets, frogs. Okay. Next we will see the characteristics of fishes. Okay, see, fishes are vertebrates, cold blooded, lay eggs, oviparous. Most have scales. Most have scales but some do not. Sharks do not have legs. Do not have legs. Most have fins but some do not. Eels breathe with gills, live in water. See children, these fishes are also vertebrates, means which are having backbones. They are cold blooded. Why? Because the water will be cold. No children, they are also cold blooded. Okay. It will also lay eggs. This is also called as oviparous. Okay. Next, most of the fishes will have scales on their body, but only the shark will not having a scales on its body. Okay. And these fishes are not having any legs. Yes, no children, the fishes do not have any legs. No. Yes. Most have fins but some do not. See, most of the fishes have fins but the heels and so many etc. don't have any fins. Okay. Next, they breathe with gills. The fishes will breathe through the gills. Okay. And they will live in water. Yes, the fishes without water they won't live. Okay. They will die, no children, so they are lives in water. Okay. Next, we will see insects. Invertebrates, cold blooded. Insects lay eggs. They lack backbone and have a hard protective covering called exoskeleton. Insects go through metamorphosis and grow into different creatures than their larval stage. They live on land, in water or both. See children, these insects are invertebrates, means which will not having any backbone. They are also cold blooded. These insects will lay eggs. These insects will not having backbone, no children. So what it has there? It has exoskeleton, means the protective covering for the body. Okay. Next, insects go through a metamorphosis, means when they were in a small way, they will not grow in a like that way itself. The stages will be changing from one part to the another stage. Okay. Next, they live both in land and water. They will live both in land and water. Okay. Yes, children. Now read the given characteristics of different animal groups given on page 240. Yes, no, children, we read right. Next, and based on the information provided, classify them in the correct groups. Yes, children, see here we have seen, no, we have read that information. Now we will see honeybee, eel, beetle, flamingo, peacock, ladybird, penguin, goldfish, toucan, ant, butterfish, kiwi, shark, grasshopper, whale. Now what we should do, we should classify it into birds, fish and insects. Okay. Now the first image is, see children, the first image is honeybee, right? What is honeybee? Honeybee is a bird, fish or insect, children? Yes, it is insect. Okay. Honeybee is a insect. Okay children, H-O-N-E-Y, honey, B-E-E-B, honeybee. Okay. Next, see your eel. Next it is eel. Eel is a fish, right? Yes, eel is a fish. E-E-L, eel. Okay. Next it is beetle. What is this, children? Beetle. Beetle is a, again it's a insect. Okay. Beetle, it is insect. Okay. B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. Next we have to see next flamingo. Yes, flamingo is what, children? Flamingo is a bird, right? Yes, flamingo is a bird. Okay. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Okay. Next, see children here, what is this? Peacock. It is our national bird, no? Yes, it will also comes under the bird. Okay. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Okay. Next, see children, ladybird. Ladybird is also an insect. Yes. L-A-D-Y, lady, B-I-R-D, bird. It is bird. Having a bird means it is not a bird, children. It's an insect. Okay. Next, penguin. Penguin is a bird. Yes or no, children? Yes, we have seen, no, there. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Next, goldfish. Yes, goldfish is a fish, right? G-O-L-D, gold. F-I-S-H, fish, goldfish. Next, toucan. Yes, children, toucan is a bird, right? Yes, toucan is a bird. T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. Next, see, ant. Ant is an insect, no, children? Yes, ant is a insect. Okay. Next, pufferfish. Pufferfish. Yes, it is a fish. It only saying that it is a fish, right? P-U-F-F-E-R, puffer, F-I-S-H, fish. Next, kiwi. Kiwi is a, what is this, children? Kiwi? To which it will come, kiwi? See where it will come? Huh? Yes, children, kiwi, it belongs to the birds. Okay. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Okay. Next, shark. To which it will belongs to, no, children? Shark, it belongs to the fish. Okay. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Next, grasshopper. To which grasshopper belongs, children? The grasshopper will belongs to the insect. Okay. G-R-A-S-S, grass. H-O-P-P-E-R, hopper, grasshopper. Next, whale. Yes, what is this? Whale. To which it belongs to, children? It belongs to the fish. Okay. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Okay.